Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your bio on the RedNote app. So if you want to insert some bio on telling people who you are or what you do for a living, then let me show you how to do this on the RedNote app. So before you start, you want to first go to your app store. You want to search for the RedNote app and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and tap on Me here at the bottom right. Now next, you want to go ahead and tap on Edit Profile. This will now take you to the Edit Profile page for your account. Now here, you want to go ahead and find Bio. So here you can introduce yourself. Go ahead and tap on it. And now from here, you can go ahead and enter in your bio. Now once I'm happy with it, so I'll go ahead and tap on Confirm. And now that will add it to my bio. I can go ahead and tap on Preview to see what it looks like before I post it. Once I'm happy with it, I'll go ahead and tap on Save. This will ask you if you want to save the modification, so go ahead and press Save. And now your bio has been updated. So there you go guys, that is how to edit your bio on the RedNote app using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.